I closed out a 1 to 4 risk to reward trade on Euro USD, and this is how you could have set it up also. So we can see how the market had obviously traded all the way into the low by this point, and we'd been selling off the market as the previous post that you've seen. And as the Dixie hit the level of 106,500, I was anticipating that the market was going to formulate some kind of base. I just needed the strategy, I needed the execution model to come into my favor. So if we drop down into the 5 minute, and we can see how this opportunity set itself up. Now, as the market came and ran itself to the downside, we can see that immediately after running out the liquidity, we did actually break higher. So we shifted that market momentum back to the upside. An important element of this trade was the timing aspect. You can see that it came in at 7:30 in the morning, pre-market open on that London session, and we did expand. After sweeping liquidity, we expanded back to the upside, and all I had to do was try find an area that had previously not been mitigated yet, so it wasn't balanced. So I highlighted the fact that this candle right here was an opportunity. I managed to execute around that 1.06150 area. I managed to put my stop at the low, which was there or thereabouts 13 pips, add a little bit of the spread, add a little bit of breathing room, and I found myself at a 17.5 pip stop loss. So upon executing upon this retest right here, we were able to extend the target back to the upside, and it was just about trying to find the target ranges. So within this last sequence to the downside, we had a particular swing high here, and in here. And if we stretch the market even higher, I wanted to see the market come around to that 1.7 big figure level. But by the time we were approaching there, by the time the dollar was doing what it needed to do, I actually closed out the position at a 1 to 4 risk to reward. So we can see that this trade actually took a few days to play out. And it's not my kind of position to be stuck in something for a long period of time. I know that with the average daily range of Euro USD in particular, my stop losses are always going to be around 15 to 25 pips. But that means that I can be in and out within that sort of 24-hour to 48-hour cycle, depending on the volatility within the market. So we did actually expand for that day, and then we did go into a little bit of drawdown before ultimately finally going on to achieve our overall destination target. And I closed out at 1.06890. You can check the entry and the close level. And that is how we went in and achieved a 1.4 risk to reward trade in our Millennial Capital Trading community.